In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for organizing your travel plans. Whether you're planning a solo adventure or a group trip, Trello can be the ultimate tool to keep everything in order and ensure nothing is overlooked. Let's dive in and learn how to make the most of this versatile platform for your next journey. First things first, head over to Trello's website. It's a safe, user-friendly platform known for its simplicity and effectiveness. If you're new to Trello, you'll want to create an account. If you're a returning user, go ahead and log in using your preferred method. You can choose from several options, including your Google or Microsoft account, making it both quick and convenient. Once you're logged in, the next step is to create a board. This board will serve as the central hub for all your travel plans. Think of it as your digital bulletin board, where all your trip details will be stored and organized. Give your board a name that's easy to remember and reflects the essence of your journey, something like European Adventure 2025. With your board ready, it's time to start dividing it into lists. These lists will help represent different phases of your trip or categories of activities. You might want to set up lists like To Do for tasks that need to be completed before the trip, such as booking flights or obtaining visas. An In-Progress list can be helpful for tasks you're currently working on, while a Done list will track everything you've completed. For each destination on your itinerary, create a destination-specific list. For example, Rome, Florence, and Venice. Additionally, consider creating lists for various activities, such as sightseeing, restaurants, and day trips. For every task or activity, you'll want to create a card. Cards are the individual components of your trip, and they hold a wealth of information. Briefly describe each task or activity in the card's description. If you need to break down tasks into smaller steps, you can make use of checklists within the card. Set due dates to keep everything on schedule, and use labels to categorize and prioritize tasks, such as accommodation, transportation, or food. You can also attach relevant documents, like booking confirmations or inspirational travel images, directly to these cards. To discuss tasks with your traveling companions, use the comments section for easy collaboration. Speaking of collaboration, Trello allows you to share your board with others, making it a breeze to collaborate and delegate tasks. Drag and drop cards between lists to track progress visually, moving them from To Do to In Progress to Done as needed. Utilize the calendar view to see tasks with due dates laid out clearly and to visualize your travel itinerary. Lastly, one of the best features of Trello is its accessibility. You can access your travel plans from anywhere, whether you're using a web browser, desktop application, or mobile app. This means you can make updates on the go, ensuring everyone stays informed and your plans remain up to date. Armed with these Trello tips, you're now ready to embark on stress-free travel planning. Enjoy organizing your adventure, and happy travels.